name is Samantha and I'm an educator at Reid Park Zoo. And like many of you, I'm working from home right now and I thought I'd share an enrichment activity with you guys today. And so enrichment is something that we do at the zoo for our animals. And what it means is that we give them something to keep their minds and bodies active and engaged. So today we're going to make this cardboard woven ball for enrichment for your pets at home. So you can tie a string to it, you can roll it on the floor, you can put treats inside. It's just kind of a fun, safe toy that you can make for your pets. And what I really like about this activity is you can easily make it with items that you probably have at home right now, and making it is kind of a fun puzzle, so it's going to be a little bit of an enrichment for you as well. So the first thing, all you need are a pair of scissors and a cardboard box. Like a cereal box. And so I cut my cereal box into 6 strips, about 1/4 inch in length for each. And the first thing I'm going to do is weave 3 of these strips together, right? So you're alternating strips being over and under. I'm going to weave in another strip right here. And, oh, my cat's getting some enrichment watching me work. And if you need a little time, or if I'm going a little fast, don't worry about it. This is a video. You can pause it and replay it and do things at your own speed and your own pace. And what matters is that you are having fun. All right, and so now, this piece needs to go over here. I will weave in this last piece. Oops. And what it's going to do is make a bit of a star. And this piece is always this part is always a little bit tricky for me. I usually have to adjust a little bit to make sure that all my woven pieces are in the same direction here. So I'm going to move this here, move that there, and move that there. There we go. So now you have a nice little woven star. Here we go. Perfect. And you'll see that it kind of holds together nicely. So now that you have that star of woven pieces, remember you're alternating, make sure the same sides are going over. I'm going to take the 6th piece, and what I did is I just cut a couple little notches on either end, about halfway down, and I'm going to use these notches to make a loop. All right. So what I'm going to do with this loop is I'm going to flip my little woven piece over, because I like it when the brown cardboard is on the outside. It's just a little bit more visually appealing for me. And then I'm going to take the pieces that are underneath and put them in the middle. So all the underneath woven parts, put in the middle. I'm going to put my ball around them like so. I'm going to put my loop around them like so. The whole thing is going to be a ball at the end. All right? So now what we want to do is lock the ring in place. And so I'm just going to cross these pieces over to kind of lock the ball in place. Make sure it's not going anywhere, or lock the ring in place and make sure it's not going anywhere. And they'll sometimes come apart, and that's okay, because you'll just put them together as you're making it. So now what I'm going to do is cut those notches, and this piece, which I have crossed over, I'm going to take over to this piece, which is crossed under, and I'm going to notch them together. All right, same thing here. I'm going to take this piece, which is over, cross it over to this piece, which is under, and notch them together. All right. This piece is over. I'm going to not cross it over to this piece, which will be under. Notch them together. Notch them together like so. This piece is over, this piece is under. Notching them together. Like so. And then this last piece, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of weave it under like this before I notch them. And that's just going to help everything hold together for our little cardboard ball. And there you have it. You have a nice little cardboard ball that you can use to play with your pets. It's not perfect, but you know what? None of us are. And we're just here having fun at home. And I'm going to go and give this to my cats and see what they think about it. If you have any enrichment ideas that you like to play with your pets with, go ahead and leave a picture in the comments. If you make a little woven ball and play with your pets, go ahead and show us. We would love to see it. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Stay safe and healthy, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.